Hi everyone, my name is Teacher Rema. I am a licensed professional teacher and a certified English tutor with more than 3 years of experience in both online and offline settings. I've worked with kids, teens, and adult learners in different educational settings, focusing on vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and conversational skills. I also hold a TEFL and TESOL certification, which strengthened my understanding of the language learning strategies. Outside of teaching, I am passionate about cooking international dishes and traveling to experience new cultures. I believe food and travel are great ways to connect to people and broaden my perspective. In my class, you can expect a supportive and interactive learning environment. What makes my class unique is I tailor my lessons based on your interests, strengths, and goals, not just learning effective but also enjoyable. My goal is to help you build confidence and communicate effectively. So what are you waiting for? Book my class now. See you!